Hello guys, so quickly in this video I want to show you guys how you can claim free airdrop from Jupiter. Okay, now this is the beauty of it, because a whole lot of guys have been claiming thousands of dollars using this process. And for me, for this particular wallet that you can see that I have 25 Jup here, is one of the least wallets that I've used in the past. I've claimed from my about 3 other wallets. Okay, so I'm just doing this to show you guys how this thing works. Okay, so now let's get started. So what you need to do is this. First and foremost, you need to go to your Phantom. Okay, go to your Phantom wallet. Okay, here I'm going to be claiming my Jup because I've been using Jupiter. You know, under, if you want to use if you want to do swap, okay, or you want to do some other stuff under, or you want to buy a token under Solana, you have the opportunity of using either you use Jupiter or you actually use there are so many of them, but for me personally I use Jupiter, and for that reason, that is why they've given me this little airdrop. Okay, so if you want to get started, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description of this video so that you don't make the mistake of copying a phishing link. Okay, the link is actually let me show it here. Okay, Japwari, you can see it, japwari.jup.ag. that is the right link. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is this. When you copy that link, or you just go to japwari.jup.ag, then you're going to come down here. You see this button here, you're going to click on this button here. Then when you click on this button here, then you're just going to bring you directly up here. Okay, when you click on that button, it's just going to bring you up here. Then here you're just going to put this website. Okay, the link that I showed you, automatically the link is going to bring you here. This is how the website is going to look like. Okay, you can see for me my wallet is connected already, but for you they might ask for your email address. Okay, if they ask for email address, you put in your email address, automatically it's going to show you this that your wallet, it's going to bring you here. Then you're going to connect your wallet. Okay, so for me, let me show you my allocation. I'm going to click on view allocation here, and here you can see my allocation, right? I think I have about 25 Jup here on this particular wallet. So for me to claim this 25 Jup here, which is about $20 or thereabouts. Okay, so I'm just going to go down here. Where is it? Here, and it's going to ask you if you want to stake the airdrop. Okay, go to your profile. Okay, then here I'm going to click on claim here, right? If you want to stake it, you can go ahead and stake it, but for me I want to claim, so I'm going to click on claim here. So here is going to show you claim your allocation. Here you're going to say claim and stake or claim only, but if you want to claim only, just click on claim only. So I'm going to click on claim only, then it's going to bring me here. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on confirm. Okay, let me click on confirm, then it's going to bring me here. You have successfully claimed Jup token, right? You can see you have successfully claimed Jup token. So let me come up here. Wow, so you can see this is my Jupiter token that I just claimed. You can see $22, right? You can see I just claimed my $22 Jup token here. Okay, so that's how simple and easy it is that I just made this free $22. Okay, so you too, if you've used Jupiter wallets before, please just go ahead now and check for your free token and claim yours quickly ASAP. Okay, all right guys, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Remember to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.